Hey there, if you're a NuMetric user running a business in Jordan, you know you've got to deal with the new e-invoicing rules from the ISD. Now, it might sound a little intimidating, but I promise you, it's not. Let's get you connected and fully compliant super fast. Look, getting up to speed with new tax regulations can be a real headache, right? All you want to do is send your invoices and know for sure that they're compliant. You don't want to worry about rejections or, any penalties. And that's exactly what we're going to solve for you right now. And you know what? It's way simpler than you think. We're going to walk through the whole thing from start to finish. In just a couple of minutes, you'll be completely set up and good to go. All right, first things first. We need to get to the right spot inside your NuMetric account. Think of this as the main command center for the whole integration. Okay, so starting from your main dashboard, just look for your account profile. It's usually in the corner. Go ahead and click that, and you'll see a menu pop up. From there, you're going to select Settings and then Business Settings. You should see your company listed right there. Find that action button, the one with the 3 little dots, click it, and then hit Edit. Perfect, we're in. Now for the most important part, putting in your official credentials. This is what creates that secure link between NuMetric and the tax department, so getting these details exactly right is absolutely key. Think of this table as your personal cheat sheet. On the left, you've got the field name in NuMetric, like Client ID. And on the right, that's the exact Arabic term you'll find on your official ISTD portal. This means there's no guesswork. You can literally just copy the info straight from the portal and paste it into the right field in NuMetric. Just do a quick double check to make sure it all matches up. Okay, let's clear up one thing that sometimes trips people up, the entity ID. It's actually really simple. If your business is registered as a company, you're going to use your registration number from the company's control department, the CCD. If you're an individual or a freelancer, you'll use the entity ID that was given to you by the Ministry of Industry and Trade. Just pick the one that applies to you. All right, quick heads up. This next part is for all of you who are VAT registered. There are just 2 small things we need to check to make sure your invoices are 100% perfect every single time. First, back on that business settings page we were just on, make sure the sales tax toggle is flipped to on. Easy. Second, just pop over to Settings, then click Accounting and Tax, and just confirm that you see a sales tax entry listed in there. That's it. Both of those steps are needed for the VAT to calculate correctly. Okay, hold on. Before we hit Save, I want to share a super important tip. This is, without a doubt, the #1 reason we see e-invoices fail to go through, and knowing this is going to save you a massive headache later. You really want to pay close attention here, because this comes directly from the official guidelines. The tax department system is, well, it's pretty picky about the data format. A single special character that's not supposed to be there can get your whole invoice rejected instantly, even if everything else is perfect. And when they say special characters, they mean all of them. As you can see, we're talking about everything. Ampersands, brackets, commas, hashtags, you name it. Anything that isn't a plain letter or a number. And this is critical. This applies to your company name and the names of all of your customers inside the system. So the golden rule here is just keep it clean. For any company name or customer name, stick to only letters, numbers, and spaces. It is the absolute simplest way to guarantee your invoices fly right through without a single problem. And just like that, we've made it to the finish line. See? You've navigated the settings, you've put in your credentials, and now you know the secret to avoiding those pesky errors. It's time for that final, satisfying click. All you gotta do now is scroll down to the bottom of the page and click that big update button. And boom, that's it. Your NuMetric account is now officially connected and totally ready to issue compliant e-invoices in Jordan. So with that little technical task checked off your list, you can get back to focusing on what really matters, growing your business. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next explainer.